How to fix Twitter permanently suspended. So if you want to fix your Twitter account which has been permanently suspended, then first you need to open up your Twitter application and go for your profile, which will be on the upper left, and scroll down and go for settings and support, and again go for settings and privacy, and here you can go for privacy and safety, and then scroll down and go for contact us, which is on the bottom last. And you can go for the upper right, which has open in browser, and it will take you to the Twitter help center. And now you need to search on the search bar, search for, and here you can simply scroll down, and here you will have locked and suspended account issues. Tap on that option. So here it says that you're logged into a X account which is not suspended. So my account has not been suspended, so I can't file an appeal. But if your account is suspended or if your account is locked, then you can go with this procedure and you will have an option to file something. You need to simply enter your details like your Twitter username, your email address, and you need to enter the feedback, and after that you can submit your request. And after submitting your request, your problem will be seen. So that's it. That's how you fix your Twitter permanently suspended account problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.